I thought today I was going to review some double pointed needles with you. So those of you that have been with me for quite a while will know that I enjoy knitting socks, and I prefer using double pointed needles to a circular needle. I just find it gives me greater flexibility, but I usually use aluminium ones because sock yarn is quite fine. The needles are fine. I'm not sure if you can see it, but if I turn that round you can see there is a definite kink in there. I have got some that are worse than this. I put them to one side to show you, and I've put them in such a safe place I can't find them. And what usually happens is my knitting gets left on the chair, somebody comes in and just sits on them, or when you're holding the needles too tight. Especially when they get warm, they get more pliable. So I'm forever folding them back into shape. So I thought I'd treat myself to some new needles. I got these from Hobbycraft, but you can get them from other places. I bought a set of different sizes, so it allows me to do different thicknesses. You can use double pointed needles for other things other than socks. But they're made from carbon fibre, so they have a metal point, so the tip still feels the same to what I'm used to, but that carbon fibre just gives it extra strength. And so far I've knitted one pair of socks using these and not a kink in sight. The set that I got didn't have the 2¼ millimetre size, and that's the size that I use most often, so I've ordered those separately to fill in the gap. But thoroughly enjoyed using them, and they do feel quite comfortable in your hands. So if you're thinking of if you use them a lot, I definitely recommend those. So I shall put links up for those to where I got them from, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy them when you do your own socks.